Yes, we're live. Um, okay. So, good morning, everybody.
Morning, sir.
We left off from GBP JPY yesterday. We set a lot of the key zones that we want to look at. So, obviously, you can actually see what we were talking about yesterday from the candlestick or price action. One of the things we can actually see is the health of the candlestick, which is very important. So if we go to our lower time frame, let's say our 5 minutes, we can actually see on the 5 minutes we did not get any break of a higher high, then a retest, then a movement. I don't know if you understand. You know, we say on our lower time frame, what we want to see is something like this. So our entry is going to be somewhere around here or the second tab. So we didn't get something like that. So from the health of the candlesticks, you can actually see that price didn't respect this zone, then we broke lower. Then if we go to our 1 hour time frame, which is our anchor time frame, we can also see the same thing on the 1 hour time frame. So we can actually see bearish candlesticks closing very, very healthy, and we're having little bullish candlesticks, then we have price dipping down. So now we can delete this zone, which is not valid. We can also delete this zone also, which is not valid, because we've had a lower low. So now if we want to say which among these zones now we will now look at for, finally is this one. So we'll wait for price to either tap this, then we go to our lower time frame to find a better structure on the microstructure. So let's say on our 5 minutes, we'll be seeing something like this happening. So on the 5 minutes, we'll see something like this happening. So we can buy from around this zone on the 5 minutes. But on the 1 hour, we may be breaking just this high. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So we have this resistance, we have this support. We can also say there is sort of a resistance around this region. That is somewhere here, that we can also put into consideration. Let me go to my 15 minutes. Okay, we can actually see there's some sort of a rejection around this zone. So if we're having this kind of rejection, then it still tells us that we shouldn't be looking for a buy yet around this zone. We should either wait for a break of this, then a retest, then we start buying, because we already have price. We already see on the 15 minutes, we are seeing healthy candlesticks, right? You can see this whole 15 minutes candlestick engulfed all of this price action. So that's number one signal that, okay, it seems price wants to change trend. So we can look out for breaking out from this zone, then we can be buying all the way to this stop. So let's say something like this. Yeah. So it's either we pick our entry from here or we pick from the second leg, which will create a high for us. So we can have this. So we already have a visual of, I'm just trying to show you guys that, okay, from looking at your trade, you can visualize what you want to anticipate to pick. So which is one, your level of your key zones, price breaking out, retest, then moving up. So we already have an idea on GBP JPY. Or is there any other objection, or do you see any other thing on this chart? Are we together, please? Are we seeing any other thing? Nobody's answering. Hello? Are you people with me? Yes. Do you see any other thing, or you agree with this, or you see something else? Maybe a sell. Mrs. Shade, Emmanuel. Are you with the class? Are you seeing any other thing on our charts?
Maybe you should go down. I want to see maybe that zone and that. Maybe it was related.
Okay, this one. This one. So you feel we can pick a sell from here now? Okay, then let's try and pick a sell then. Instant execution. Now? Okay. What are your confirmations?
Sorry? I mean, like, this person key zone.
Yes, it's a key zone. Okay.
So I think if price moves on test, like you said, analyze to get it correct, to pick a buy, that's if you test it. So
okay.
Pick a buy, now it's buyers are in control. But what if price comes in, go down, comes up again?
Okay, so what you are saying is
like this is a major zone, it can still be a sell.
You want price to do this.
Yeah.
Then we sell.
Then we can sell. And at the same time, it depends on the candlestick. Let's say
okay, but why not sell now?
Why not sell?
Why not sell now?
Sure.
We are actually sure now. Are you guys not seeing this? We are below our moving average, number one. We've made a lower low. There is no fear. It is hitting a key zone. We can pick the sell now, put our stop loss here. Yes, so let's sell now. We already have a rejection here, right? If this candle, this is 15 minutes, and how many minutes is left? Okay, we have 2 minutes left. We can pick the sell. Since we have been anticipating to pick a trade on GBP JPY. So let's pick a sell. Let's have our stop loss above this high, because this region is a very, very key zone. If you watch, price bounced on this region here. I don't know if you can see it. Price bounced here, broke it, came back, retest, sold down, then it's coming back here again. So giving us a confirmation that this region, if sellers wants to protect this region, we shouldn't see price trade higher. So let's pick a sell. There is no harm in trying to to see our strategy work out fine. Which, what did you say? Okay, no. No, I've not set the risk reward ratio. Yes, office.